Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video I shall be discussing about the post market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market last closed at 27,005.84, making a change of 0.62%. Later we come on to the Indian markets. The Nifty closed today at 11,235.85 rupees, making a change of 0.93 in green. Now moving on to the charts, the Indian market opened up with a gap down, slight gap down was there, but for the first two candles it was it was a bullish candle, and later on we could see an consolidation. Nothing of such of highs or lows was made in the entire day, but it was a movement towards uptrend. Later, by the near the closing session, last two candles were found to be the bullish candles, and they achieved some heights marking 11,235.85 as the Nifty. Moving on to the sectorial indices, the topmost contributor for the day was Nifty Pharma, whereas it was followed by the Nifty Realty, and then was Nifty Auto and Nifty PSU Bank were also the ones who made great changes today in the market. This is the scenario for the day, and nothing of any sector being in red was being observed in the market while the closer of the market. So everything was in green. Later on, coming on to the top 5 gainers and losers for the day, Eicher Motors, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries Limited, Tech Mahindra Limited, SBI Bank were the ones who tried to push up the market, whereas Axis Bank, Shree Cement, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys were the ones who tried to pull down the market. But eventually, Eicher Motors was considered as the topmost gainer for the day. Nextly is that of FII and DII trading data. So let's go on with the FII trading data for the day in NSE, BSE as well as MSEI in capital market segment. The data, to warn you, is in crores. Therefore, the FII total buying and selling was 1665.57 crores, whereas coming on to the DII trading activity on NSE, BSE as well as MSEI in capital market segment was in minus 1138.83 crores. Now moving on to the next one, that is quarter results. The companies like Asian Paints Limited and JSW Steel Limited are going to announce its quarter results tomorrow. So let's be positive on that and keep an eye on it. Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for timely updates. Also, I would request you to share this channel in your contacts. I have also updated my social media handles. The above are my handles. You can get connected, and you can shoot any questions that you have, and I will be available to answer them. Even I will be updating on uploading any video over there. At the same time, if you have anything you want to directly contact me, so you can also email me. My email address is market.trends17@gmail.com. So I'm regularly trying to make amendments such as which can be feasible for you to understand in a better way, and you can have a qualitative trading session for your coming sessions. I wish you the very best for your tomorrow's trading session, and also hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.